When designing a home that requires a 90-degree change in direction on a stairway, homeowners and designers are faced with a crucial decision that impacts not only the aesthetic of the space, but also its safety, comfort, and spatial efficiency. And the primary methods to achieve this turn are usually going to be a landing that's either going to be a square or a rectangle, or using winders, or constructing a curving section of the stairway. So let's go ahead and get started with the number one on the list, and this is the gold standard for safety and comfort. And of course, I'm talking about the landing. And the nice thing about a landing is it usually breaks up a section of the stairway and provides a solid level surface for users to rest if they need to. And in some cases, they might need to regain their balance. And if that's the case, it can significantly reduce the chances of someone falling. And this is going to be even more important for households with children, elderly individuals, and those with mobility challenges. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at what some people call a kite winder. I refer to them as two 45-degree angle steps and would use this design if I was limited on space for the stairway. However, if I had a little more room, I would prefer this design where I'm adding 6 inches to each one of the 45-degree angle steps on the inside so that the steps could be a little larger in the areas that most people are going to be using to walk up and down the stairway. Next up, let's take a look at a curving section of the stairway, and this is going to require a little more square footage out of the floor plan. However, if you have enough room, it could provide you with a nice, comfortable step and cost a few more dollars. And last on our list, the Winder Stairway. The 3 steps that can be designed differently depending upon what your local building code suggests. And I do actually have a book I would recommend you checking out if you're interested in a little more information about winders. However, they usually don't end up saving that much more room than it would take to add 2 more rectangular steps and a square or rectangular shaped landing. And the moral to this story is simple. If you can, use a flat landing for safer stairs that need to make a 90-degree turn. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.